Ho ho ho, welcome back to Beauty Beats. Today we're making Christmas cookies featuring my mother. Ta-da!
Welcome. Is it gonna stare at us all around?
We made sure to get the Christmas bowl out for this one. Our spatula.
We need sugar and butter.
So who's gonna get all the things?
Half a cup of sugar. Started, you can whip it up.
How many are you doing?
Well, apparently it
We
makes
have to
4
taste
dozen.
We're doing
4 dozen.
No, right now. What are you scooping?
Oh, half a cup of sugar.
Half a cup of sugar. Okay, what's next?
Next is going to be butter and vanilla. So you can throw all that in. I'm going to check the butter.
Throw it all in?
Yeah, so I'll check. You can check the butter.
Too late. It's in!
Okay.
We're gonna say that was a teaspoon of vanilla, artificial extract.
What's it, 1.5 cups? 1.5.
I believe she's just getting the butter, ladies and gentlemen. So far we have half a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla.
1.5 cups of soft butter.
That looks pretty soft. Oh, you know what the trick is? You grate it. I saw that in a hack one.
Really? But that'd be a lot of work. Like,
Well, because it like makes it soft. Anyway.
try it for that one. Oh, that's good.
How much butter?
You're getting screwed up.
We didn't even have our beverage yet.
It's not gonna work for me.
I'm just using a knife.
I can't multitask.
This is the best video ever. She's like, let me use the world's giant knife for my butter softening.
Okay, well wait now. I was supposed to measure that.
I don't know if you can read my hat from here. Can you tell them what it says?
Save water, drink wine.
Where's my wine?
I'm gonna cut this. This should be a cup, but I guess we better check or they won't be delicious.
Oh, we don't want to put foil in our cookies, ma'am. Get that knife in there.
I need a Kleenex. You want to sing while you're waiting?
No, it's okay.
Oh well, we're getting there. That's about a cup.
So how much butter in the end did we put in our bowl?
A cup and a half of butter.
Cup and a half of butter. So far, we're getting places.
Yeah, that'll be enough.
Plug in our doodad here.
Wait, make sure you know how to use it. You might not. Don't point it up with her.
Okay, are we ready for the,
Hang on. I gotta wash my hands. I gotta tell you how to do it before it goes all over the place.
Okay.
There is a trick.
Show me, mama.
Actually, it's the butter's part.
Should we have worn a hairnet? Hey,
You gotta turn on the oven. 350.
Oh, oven for 350.
That's what it says.
While you're waiting to whisk your butter, you put your oven for 350.
Wait.
I don't think you whisk the butter, you
Oh, is this a Coors Light ad?
beat the butter.
Yeah, I'll let you do it, Mom, because it's yours.
No, the speed is here. No, because I'm using a lot. So about halfway. And
Yeah.
keep it down. And
Thank
we
you.
got everything in there and it should get creamy.
Thanks, Mom.
Go.
Woo-hoo! I don't think it's soft enough.
No, I know. Gotta work it.
Where you're
The
kneading
next
in.
batch will be better.
You want to cream it all together. You might need to get it out of the thing. You want to scoop it
you
up?
just keep on doing it.
Okay.
There's a trick. Go along the edge, you lift it straight and it kind of loosens.
You want to take it out of its thing? Easier to mix it. It's not stuck in there. So this is why you have to make sure it's soft. So it doesn't get stuck in the
Okay, let go.
utensils. All right,
Hang
let
on,
me take
hang on.
over.
There's a trick.
I'll be right back. Okay, we're still on a roll here.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Not to worry. It's gonna turn out perfect.
It already looks perfect.
There we go. Perfect kneading. Welcome back. Roll
Now-
and cut.
We're gonna cut our cookies.
Now
We've
pick-
got a variety of
pick
shapes
your-
to choose from.
Pick your shape. And the bell is kind of big. I'm gonna do something smaller.
Woo! And we got our sprinkles.
You have the bell? So I will. First, you have to flour your. Yeah. So I'm gonna tear the dough in half, and look how nice it is. Just like melted butter. Okay. So the best way is to have flour always ready to roll.
Sprinkle
Put
it on
some-
your surface.
Yeah, you go ahead. And tell them why you're doing it.
So it doesn't stick to the cutting board.
Yeah.
While you're
and
rolling.
also your rolling pin, you flour, so same idea. No sticky.
Hand it over. As you're patiently waiting for the rolling pin, you can pick your cookie cutter sheet.
I do.
All right, here we go, and you just put it on and press.
Test the.
Do you have any more cutters?
Yeah.
While I'm here.
Oh, here. We might as well do them all. We can do them. Everything has to be floured and taken off right
All right, here we go.
These two?
For sure.
Or do we want to make a few of the same?
It's already getting dark out.
I know.
Here's one.
Oh, we're gonna decorate them first?
I have no
And
idea.
use the spatula.
Sure.
Okay. Take off all your bubbles.
Taking them off.
Yeah, you gotta separate them a bit. Always flour your spatula.
They're beautiful.
Okay. I always do it with my hand because it could get too heavy, the sprinkles in one area. You can just take sections to decorate. You can decorate it all. Whatever makes you happy.
You know what makes
Just
me
like
happy?
Bob Ross would say. There's a little accident.
A nice cold drink.
Now, not everybody does like sprinkles, so you can make some plain ones too if you want.
Okay, and this is how they look. Thank
And then you can put them in a beautiful little dish.
like so.
tin.
Wait till
Put
they're
out as
cold.
presents.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our cookie making video.
Cheers.
Thanks, Mom. Bye.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, that row.
Oh, the best we smell.
Woo!